The internet is a part of our daily lives. Many people use it every day, but not everyone knows what it really is or how it works. We use it for talking to friends, learning, working, shopping, and having fun. In this explanation, I will talk about the internet in great detail. I will explain everything in simple and clear language so everyone can understand. The internet is like a giant web. This web connects computers, phones, and other devices all over the world. Think of a spider's web. Each thread connects to another thread. That's how the internet works. It connects everything. When you use the internet, your device, like a computer or phone, sends and receives information. For example, when you open a website, your computer sends a request to another computer. This other computer is called a server. The server has the information you want. It sends this information back to your screen. This happens very quickly. The internet works because of many things: cables, satellites, servers, and software. Let's look at each part. Cables carry the information. They are like roads for data. Some cables are underground, and some are under the ocean. These cables connect countries and continents. For example, a cable under the Atlantic Ocean connects the United States to Europe. Satellites help the internet reach places where cables cannot go. These satellites are in space. They send signals to Earth. This is why people can use the internet in remote areas, like mountains or deserts. Servers are special computers that store information. When you visit a website, the server sends the website to your device. Big companies like Google, Facebook, and YouTube have thousands of servers to store all their information. Software helps us use the internet. Web browsers like Chrome or Safari allow you to search for websites. Apps on your phone, like WhatsApp or Instagram, also use the internet to work. The internet has many uses. Communication is one of the most common uses. The internet makes it easy to talk to people. You can send messages, make phone calls, or have video chats. Apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, and Skype are very popular. Before the internet, people had to send letters or make expensive phone calls. Now, you can talk to anyone in the world instantly. The internet is also a great tool for learning. You can search for information about anything. Students use it for homework, and teachers use it to find resources. There are also online courses and videos that teach you new skills. For example, you can learn how to cook, play the guitar, or speak another language. Many people use the internet for their jobs. They send emails, attend meetings, and share files. During the COVID-19 pandemic, millions of people worked from home using the internet. Online tools like Google Drive and Microsoft Teams made this possible. Online shopping is very popular. You can buy clothes, food, electronics, and more. Websites like Amazon and eBay let you order items and have them delivered to your door. This saves time and energy. The internet is a big source of entertainment. You can watch movies and TV shows on Netflix, listen to music on Spotify, or play games online. Social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok let people share videos, pictures, and stories. The internet is a place where people get news. You can read articles, watch videos, or follow live events. However, not all news on the internet is true. Some websites share fake news, so you need to be careful. The internet has a long history. It started in the 1960s. At first, it was used by scientists and the military to share important information. It was small and slow. In the 1990s, the internet became available to the public. It was not very fast, but people started to use it for email and websites. Today, billions of people use the internet every day. It is much faster and easier to use than before. Wi-Fi and mobile data let us use the internet anywhere, even when we are outside. While the internet is very helpful, it also has problems. Some websites share fake news or wrong information. This can confuse people. Always check if a website is real and trustworthy. Some people use the internet to steal money or personal information. This is called cybercrime. Be careful when sharing your personal details online. Some people spend too much time on the internet. This can be bad for your health. It is important to take breaks and do other activities, like going outside or talking to friends in person. In the future, the internet will keep getting better. It will be faster and smarter. New technologies like 5G are already making internet connections faster. Smart devices, like fridges, cars, and even lights, will use the internet to make life easier. For example, your fridge might remind you to buy milk, or your car might tell you the fastest way to get to work. The internet is a big part of modern life. It helps us connect, learn, work, and have fun. It has made the world smaller by bringing people together. But we must use it wisely and carefully. If we do, it will continue to make our lives better. Thank you for listening to this detailed explanation. I hope you now understand the internet better.